Albania. Have a rain and we don't see mountain here. 30% lake is Albania, 70% lake is Montenegro. Only Montenegro lake is national park. And only in Montenegro lake have a 40 Orthodox monastery. Here on island Planina, we have second oldest Orthodox monastery here. It's Planina monastery. We have 450 years old.
How many?
450 years. And behind this restaurant, we have the biggest wine house in Montenegro. We have wine 1 years old to 200 years old. Very big, very long tradition. Montenegro is country of wine. And it's called 250 pips birds. Most popular is Pelican. To fly, they're 2.5 meters, and they're 50 kilograms bird.
And where is the church? I can't see it. You told me the church.
Yes, right size. Yes.
Okay.
And my friend goes to Ukraine. I told him, be careful, you'll get it here. I know, but I must.
Are you in touch with him? Did you call
No,
him?
no, because you know it's a little different. We are a very small country. We are only country full of Russia, but we are in NATO. And we have a secret service. I don't like this. Maybe somebody tell or you have a contact from one guy in the front. You know?
Okay, I understand.
He come here, we talk. He come here. And everything be alright, but not with the COVID. Because I feel very much spy. Very, very much spy. And I don't like this population. Okay, we see the war. Everything is okay. Everything we respect this. Because I felt it. Everybody know I like Russia. But you are a very good person for me. We work together very much years. And don't like anyone tell me, oh, he is with
Turkey is very beautiful.
But here in the last 3 years, everybody knows Zaporozhye, Lugansk, Donetsk.
Yes.
That's true. We have very much people from this region who go in Donbass, but he is an officer. It's something different. It's not soldier, it's officer. He is a same kid. You know, in history, our king is married two daughters in Russia.
Yaroslav Mudry. Yaroslav. Yeah? King Yaroslav.
I think yes. Yes.
Maybe I'm mistaken, but I read. I remember what I read.
Our king, two daughters married in Russia, give Russian 4 generals, and one historical king. And Russia have a war for Japan. One Japanese general is the Russian soldiers kill Japan's general. These Russian soldiers is Montenegro general.
Really?
Yes, he is a volunteer. He's not volunteer. It's 100 years ago.
I know that the parents, they also in the 18th century
but nice place.
And the beaches are good. The restaurants are good as well.
Alright.
It's not far away from Google, so you can get there on food, yeah, and the car as well. And it's not far away from Rafailovici and from Kamenovo Beach. Kamenovo Beach is very beautiful.
The beautiful place of Montenegro is this region. Skočiće Vojka, beach, Kamenovo, Rafailovici, Večići, King Beach, Queen Beach. It's from Sveti Stefan.
Yeah, I know. It's a free school right now, but when we came 2 years ago, they wanted us to pay 300 euro and so on. And it was
You
crazy.
have a free beach from Bar City, Sutomore. But Sutomore, forget.
I heard about Sutomore.
Huh?
I heard about Sutomore. That they have a sandy beach, yeah? Sandy beach.
Yes, very big beach. Yes. But get very much people.
Are there a lot of tourists here in Sutomore, yes? Well, солнышко.
Do you want to swim on the lake?
Yeah. I want.
Okay.
I'm not sure that he wants, but I want.
underwater and
They stuck, yes, in the motor. They stuck in the motor.
This is Jezero Half Island. It's the first cruise army on Skadar Lake. It's army for Petar II Petrovich Lagos. And here is a safe 40 Orthodox monastery of Skadar Lake of Ottoman Empire.
I can't the name. They're in a village next to water, yeah?
Yes.
And this water is, what is the water, yes?
Yes, from house army. In the army stay here.
Oh,
little bit this trying to stay in the water. This is a kind of a river Moracha. She is the biggest river on Montenegro. Long is 150 kilometers. Moracha. It's a second big river in Skadar Lake. We have 50% water in Skadar Lake. It's from this river. Сколько воды?
Almost a year. 11 months.
It's the first.
I don't even know last.
Why?
So hard.
My first daughter, 6 years. Second, 8 months.
Really? You have a 6-year-old child? I thought you were just a boy.
Boy, 31.
Oh, really?
31 years.
You look much younger.
Thank you. I don't. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hello. Great.
This is one very nice place. Do you want to take pictures here together?
Okay. And where are the lilies? They're so small.
No, because lilies is a flower one time in 3 years. We flower 2 months, close and come back in the water. I told you on the place where we can.
Where is the place to do this?
It's a young cormorant.
It's the one. Okay. So people live here, yeah? Just like
Yes,
that?
it's
like
a village Ranina. Everybody here go to fishing and the women save fish on the river. Here left is the river Moracha.